In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a tattoo in Infinite Craft. To get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do this with the application version of the app or the version of the app. So go ahead and drag water and earth and combine it to create a plant. Now go ahead and drag water to your canvas and combine it with the plant to create a swamp. Now once you've created a swamp, go ahead and drag the fire to your swamp to create a dragon. After that, go ahead and drag the swamp to your canvas to create a lizard. Now go ahead and drag the earth to your canvas to create a dinosaur. After that, go ahead and combine two water on your canvas to create a lake. Now go ahead and combine the lake and the dinosaur to create the Loch Ness monster. Now drag fire and combine it with that to create a sea monster. Now drag the fire again to create a kraken. Now combine the water with your kraken to be able to create a squid. After that, go ahead and combine the water to your squid to create an ink. After that, go ahead and combine the water to your ink to create a tattoo. And that is how you can make a tattoo in Infinite Craft. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. If there are other recipes that you want us to create a video for, please don't forget to comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.